In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter data in KoboToolbox. Now, the easiest way to do this is to simply open the project with the form you want to enter data for. So I'm going to go to this one, which is called test. Then you want to go to data up top, and you can see here I have no data right now. And if you want to enter data, the simplest way is to go to the form tab. And then when this loads, you can just deploy it if it hasn't deployed yet. And then you can just click on open over here. It's going to open your form in a separate tab. And you can just go ahead and basically type in whatever you want and then click on submit. And then whenever you do that, it's going to basically submit it. Okay, you can do, of course, as many as you want. And you can enter data that way. And notice that whenever you actually go out here inside data, it's going to record those responses. And they're now in here. And you've successfully entered data in KoboToolbox. Now you can also go ahead and change any of these. If you don't like them, you can edit them, etc. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.